How's everyone going, guys? It is I, Rides, and today's video I will be riding my bike, of course, riding my gorgeous bike. It is dirty a bit, but I'm gonna clean this up later. But with today's video, I will be doing some flybys with my Fz6r, my 2012 Yamaha, with 2 brothers exhaust, with R6 headers. And if you guys are on here looking at some nice Fz6r videos with exhausts and all that stuff, I'll be doing some flybys for ya, some acceleration speeds too, and then some nice flybys past this camera, what I have set up. It's gonna video this camera for me. It's gonna capture everything. So I'm gonna hop on my bike soon, but before I proceed with this video, if you're new to this channel, I'm currently doing a motorcycle helmet giveaway, and if you want to have a chance to win, like, subscribe, and tell me why you would like my motorcycle helmet and why you would like to have a chance to win. And there is a visor, a tinted visor, what comes with it as well. But in the description below, there will be a link for a video, and it will tell you more about the giveaway. But right now, I got about 15 people who actually applied for the giveaway. So, if you want to have a chance, guys, click the description below. There will be some more information, but do all those 3 rules and you have a chance. So, I'm going to hop on my bike now, guys. I'm going to set up this bad boy. Let's set up this bad boy. And the camera is set, it's recording. Give that little clap sequence and let's start up. So right now I'm going to do a acceleration speed. So I'm basically going to get in high revs, not crazy. I'm not going to hit the red rev lines because it sounds disgusting. I'm only going to change it when it feels like it needs to be changed. So let's go. There's no cars around. Okay, 2 brothers exhaust with R6 headers, acceleration speed. I think we did pretty good, guys. So that's it. That's the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the sound of the bike. Hopefully the audio was good from this camera, because I'll be using this. But it sounded gorgeous. I'm going to check this video and it's just going to be so juicy. So this is a Fz6r 2012 model, and it has two brothers exhaust on it with R6 headers. So it doesn't have Fz6r exhaust or headers. It's completely different, using the R6 headers with the two brothers exhaust. So that's the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. So if you did enjoy the video, like, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. It's up to you guys, but it does help me out with the channel, with uploading videos and etc. And if you want to have the chance to win that giveaway I was talking about before, go in the description below. There will be a link for more information about it. But if you want to have a chance to apply for the giveaway, like, subscribe, and tell me why you would like to win the helmet. And I will be announcing it at the end of this month, January. But if we do not get enough people actually going for the giveaway, it will be pushed back to a later date with some notice. So have a chance, guys. Apply for it, and hopefully you guys will win. So this is the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.